4:1 amplifier. This circuit for the subwoofer, and this is for the front speaker, front two speaker, left and right front. This is the rear speaker, left and right, and this is the low pass filter for the subwoofer amplifier. You can see the output socket. There are 4 sockets for the surround, front and rear, and these 2 for the subwoofer. This for the subwoofer output, this one for the surround. I am going to use this transformer. (16,016) voltage. I am using this circuit. This circuit can use minimum 12 voltage. Now I am going to fix the primary 220 voltage first using the switch. I am connecting the AC voltage to the transformer. Now need to solder here. I am soldering here the transformer wire. This is another one, comes from the transformer. This switch connection everyone can do easily. It's so easy. Now I am soldering the switch. Now this is the AC input, AC wire, AC 220 voltage. This is AC 220 voltage connection. These 2 wire will be up and the output is down. AC input must go to the up and the output will be the output will from the down. Now need cable tie here. If you want to make this type of amplifier, please contact with us from the comment link. There have our number to the comment. Or if you want this type of circuit diagram, please check the comment link. There have the circuit diagram. This all circuit diagram have in our website. Now I am going to connect voltage. Okay, the switch is working well. Now I am going to make the secondary voltage. I have to check first. This blue and black is the center tap voltage for the subwoofer, and these 2 for the surround 12 voltage. These two yellow for the 12 voltage, and these 3 for the 25 voltage. This is 10 and this is 16 or 17, 017. Now I am going to check the voltage first. We can see the voltage 16.6, 16.6 and 10. Now I am going to make the AC to DC. This 2 is the AC and this one the ground. I know everyone can make this type voltage AC to DC. This blue, black and blue. These 2 blue will go to the diode and black one will go to the capacitor. this one AC voltage, and this one also AC. It will go to the ground voltage. This is the ground voltage. Now I'm going to check the voltage first. DC, 30 voltage. Now it's 30 voltage. Now I'm going to make one 12 voltage. I have to use best quality capacitor, otherwise the sound would be lower. And also best quality diode. Everyone can make the bridge. I know that. These 4 diodes should be together. Again, I am telling that if you want this type of amplifier circuit board, please check the comment link. There are 2 are negative, 2 are DC voltage and 2 are AC voltage. DC positive. Now this one is DC positive, this one is DC negative. DC positive will go to the capacitor positive leg, and DC negative will go to capacitor negative leg, like that. Need to soldering iron. This is the negative. You can see that this is the negative, that side the positive. It's so easy to make. I have to fix it here. This is the AC voltage. These 2 are the AC voltage. This is also AC. Now the voltage is ready to make this amplifier. There is 13.7 voltage, nice voltage for the sound. This one, now it's the voltage is okay. 16 to 26 voltage, 26 voltage. It's the good voltage. Tomorrow I will make another part. Today I have no time. Sorry for that. Tomorrow you will get second part. Thank you for watching the video.